The next resume tip is to use powerful words and content that is compelling. The more specific you can be in truly describing your duties and qualifications for the role, the more unforgettable your resume will be to the hiring manager. The types of words to use here are what I call power verbs. The use of verbs in describing your experience is the best way to stand out among hundreds of resumes the hiring manager will review. Similar to our previous video, here are two examples to illustrate this. Example number 1, gave work assignments to restaurant staff to deal with guests. Now let's look at example number 2. Directed workflow, supervised, and trained staff to effectively deal with client needs and orders in a fast-paced food service environment, which led to increased food sales by 6%. The power verbs in this second example include directed, supervised, trained, and increased. Be sure to refer to tip number 1, where you can use the job description itself to help you in coming up with some appropriate yet powerful verbs.